Welcome to our exploration of the history of the Republic of India. Today, we'll delve into the significant events that shaped independent India from 1947 onwards. In 1947, India gained independence, marking the end of British rule. Jawaharlal Nehru became the first Prime Minister. India emerged as a sovereign state amid the partition that led to the creation of Pakistan. This division caused massive population transfers and violence, with millions on the move and approximately 1 million deaths recorded. The Indian National Congress, led by Nehru, was pivotal during this period. While Nehru took office, Mahatma Gandhi chose not to hold a governmental position. The Indian Constitution, adopted in 1950, established India as a democratic republic. This constitution upheld democratic freedoms, a unique feature amongst newly independent nations. However, the journey was fraught with challenges. India faced regional insurgencies and religious violence. Additionally, territorial disputes arose with China and Pakistan, leading to wars in 1962, 1965, and 1971. Despite being neutral in the Cold War, India aligned with the Soviet Union after Pakistan partnered with the US. Moving to economics, India initially adopted socialist policies that resulted in slow growth. However, economic liberalization began in 1991, propelling India towards becoming one of the fastest-growing economies globally. From 1947 to 1950, the newly formed Dominion of India grappled with integration. Sardar Patel played a crucial role in uniting over 500 princely states into a single nation. The partition was marked by violence, forcing millions to seek refuge among their co-religionists, deepening communal tensions. Political integration faced hurdles, too. The First Indo-Pakistani War, sparked by the Kashmir dispute, culminated in a UN-mediated ceasefire in 1949. By 1950, the Indian Constitution came into effect, emphasizing justice, equality, and fraternity. Nehru's administration marked a significant turning point. He led numerous reforms, especially in women's rights and education. His vision aimed at creating a secular and industrialized India while fostering nationalism. The period also saw the rise of various multi-party systems as party dynamics evolved and new political groups formed. The late 1970s brought political upheaval, leading to the imposition of the emergency in 1975 under Indira Gandhi, limiting civil liberties for security. After the emergency, political changes occurred again with Rajiv Gandhi's rise to power, introducing technological growth and initiating economic reforms. However, scandals during his term led to a downfall. The 1990s heralded significant economic shifts with liberalization. India's economic landscape transformed as foreign direct investment increased, leading towards a marked economic growth. The turn of the century introduced fresh challenges alongside achievements. New political alignments emerged, terrorism increased, and India faced natural disasters. Yet, initiatives like the Gujarat model and information technology revolution catalyzed growth. In recent years, the government led by Narendra Modi launched several initiatives focused on digitalization, manufacturing, and public cleanliness. However, socio-political challenges remain evident through protests and communal violence. Today, we witness India as the world's most populous nation and a prominent player on the global stage. In conclusion, the evolution of the Republic of India has been a dynamic journey of challenges, change, and resilience. India, known for its rich history, embarked on a transformative journey when it became a republic in 1950. But how did it all begin? Let's rewind to the 15th of August 1947. India gained independence from British rule. This pivotal moment marked the division of the subcontinent into India and Pakistan, based on religious lines. Over 10 million people were displaced, and about 1 million lost their lives during this turbulent time. Jawaharlal Nehru, a leading figure in the independence movement, became India's first Prime Minister. Although Mahatma Gandhi was a major force for independence, he chose not to hold any office. Following independence, the constitution came into effect on the 26th of January 1950, establishing India as a democratic republic with a parliamentary system of governance. Despite facing challenges like religious violence and regional unrest, India upheld its democratic ideals. Territorial disputes with neighboring countries led to numerous conflicts, including wars with Pakistan and China. Notably, the Indo-Pakistani War of 1947 over Kashmir set the stage for ongoing tensions. Let's look at the years following independence. India's early years saw a focus on socialist-inspired policies, which somewhat hindered economic growth. Nevertheless, reforms in 1991 shifted the country towards economic liberalization, allowing private enterprises to thrive. Today, India stands as one of the largest and fastest-growing economies in the world. Amidst these changes, the nation faced numerous internal issues. Communal violence, political turmoil, and economic crises shaped India's path. Notable events such as the emergency declared by Indira Gandhi marked a significant period of political unrest, yet it also led to reforms that strengthened democracy in the long run. Fast forward to the 21st century, the landscape of India transformed. Economic growth soared, and India emerged as a global player. The tech industry flourished, positioning the country as a hub for information technology and innovation, while initiatives like Make in India further propelled growth. Yet, challenges remain. From addressing poverty to managing social tensions, India continues to navigate complex issues. The importance of unity in diversity, fundamental to its identity, remains ever critical. As we celebrate over 75 years of independence, India has made significant progress. As the most populous country and a major economic force, its journey reflects resilience and hope. Now that you've learned about the historical highlights of independent India, stay engaged. Explore more, share your thoughts, or dive into specific eras that interest you. Let's discuss India's present and future together. Welcome to our video exploring the fascinating names of India. Did you know that India is known by 3 distinct names? Let's dive into the cultural and historical significance behind these names: India, Bharat, and Hindustan. India, derived from the Indus River, has historical roots dating back to ancient Greece. The term India, introduced by the Greeks, has become common in the Western world. Notably, it re-emerged in English during the 17th century from Latin influences. On the other hand, Bharat, its name in Hindi, has deep connections to ancient Sanskrit. It is linked to Bharatvarsha, which dates back to the Vedic period when the Bharata tribe was a significant presence in the region. In 1949, Bharat was officially adopted as one of the country's 2 names. Then we have Hindustan, derived from the Persian language. It emerged in the 3rd century and became prevalent during the Muslim period in India. Although not officially used anymore, Hindustan still resonates with people, especially in North India. To understand these names better, let's break down their origins. The name Indus comes from the Sanskrit word Sindhu, representing the river and the surrounding area. Over time, the name transformed through various languages, leading to its familiar form today. Bharat symbolizes national pride. The Constitution of India recognizes it as a self-ascribed alternative for India. The name reflects the rich cultural and historical heritage it represents, resonating deeply with many Indians. The use of these names often holds political significance. Recent discussions around possibly changing the official name to Bharat during global events have sparked both enthusiasm and debate in India. Overall, India's names tell a story of its people, culture, and history. They highlight the diverse tapestry of identities within the country. Whether we call it India, Bharat, or Hindustan, each name evokes a sense of belonging and pride. To summarize, India has 3 names: India, Bharat, and Hindustan, each carrying historical weight and cultural significance. These names represent the country's heritage and identity. Welcome to our exploration of medieval India. The medieval period was a vibrant time in Indian history. It spanned approximately from the 6th to the 16th century. During this era, diverse cultures, languages, and religions flourished. Let's begin with the early medieval period. This period saw the fragmentation of power after the Gupta Empire's decline. More than 40 different states emerged across the Indian subcontinent, each rich in culture. Buddhism thrived initially, supported by empires like the Palas in Bengal. Educational centers such as Nalanda became well known for scholarship. Now, let's highlight some key dynasties. The Tamil Chola Empire extended its influence overseas, bringing Hinduism and Buddhism to Southeast Asia. Meanwhile, the Gurjar Pratihara dynasty rose as a powerful force in northern India. As we progress to the late medieval period, significant changes occurred. A series of Islamic invasions transformed northern India. The Delhi Sultanate emerged, marking the beginning of Muslim rule. Buddhist influence declined while Hinduism reinforced its position in the changing landscape. The Vijayanagara Empire represented resistance to these Muslim conquests in southern India. They sparked a rivalry with the Bahmani Sultanate. This period of conflict saw the introduction of new technology, including gunpowder, along with the rise of the Mughals. The term medieval can be unclear when discussing Indian history. Some historians argue for different starting and ending dates for this period. The use of medieval also faces criticism, as it doesn't always capture the complexity of India's narrative. Continuing our exploration, let's consider the prominent kingdoms of the late medieval period. The Bengal Sultanate and the Delhi Sultanate were notable Muslim states. They played crucial roles in the economic and cultural landscapes, influencing trade and architecture. We must acknowledge the diverse polities that existed during this time. Rajput states retained autonomy, resisting both Muslim incursions and British colonialism. The Ahom Kingdom in Assam and the Gajpati Empire in Orissa are examples of vibrant regional powers. The early modern period began with the advent of the Mughal Empire in 1526. Babur, the founder, united a vast territory under his rule. The Mughals brought significant cultural and architectural advancements, greatly influencing India's historical narrative. In summary, medieval India was marked by dynamic cultural exchanges, political changes, and the enduring impact of various empires. As we conclude, it's essential to appreciate this era's complexity. Welcome to our exploration of the fascinating geography of India. In this video, we will uncover the diverse landscapes, geological features, and climatic conditions that define this incredible country. India, located in South Asia, is the seventh largest country globally, covering over 3.28 million square kilometers. This subcontinent boasts a variety of terrains and ecosystems. From lush plains to towering mountains, there's much to discover. Let's start with its remarkable borders. India shares its frontiers with several countries, including Bangladesh, China, Pakistan, Nepal, Myanmar, and Bhutan, totaling over 15,000 kilometers of land borders. Notably, the Himalayan mountain range marks India's northern edge, housing its highest peak, Kanchenjunga, at an impressive 8,586 meters. India's geography also includes major water bodies. The Ganges, known for its cultural significance, is the country's longest river, flowing 2,525 kilometers. Other important water features include Loktak Lake, one of India's largest freshwater lakes, and the expansive Chilika Lake. India's climate varies greatly across its regions. The northern areas experience alpine conditions, while the southern regions are typically tropical, creating diverse weather patterns. The southwest monsoon significantly influences agriculture, providing essential rainfall to the fertile Indo-Gangetic Plain. Geologically, India occupies the Indian Plate, formed from the ancient continent of Gondwanaland. This plate collided with the Eurasian Plate, leading to the formation of the Himalayas and significant tectonic activity. As a result, India is sometimes called the fastest continent, with ongoing geological transformations. India consists of 6 primary physiographic regions: the northern mountains, the peninsular plateau, the Indo-Gangetic plain, the Thar desert, the coastal plains, and the numerous islands. Each region has its unique characteristics and ecological significance. The northern mountains, primarily the Himalayas, are crucial for climate regulation. The range acts as a barrier, protecting northern India from cold winds. It is also the source of major rivers that sustain the surrounding regions. Moving to the peninsular plateau, this stable land is the oldest part of India. Here, you'll find vital ranges like the Western and Eastern Ghats, which play a role in transforming monsoon rains into rich soil for agriculture. The Indo-Gangetic Plain, one of the most fertile areas globally, supports agriculture for millions. It is nourished by sediments from the Ganges and its tributaries, making it a hub for crops like rice and wheat. The Thar Desert presents a stark contrast with its arid landscape, supporting unique flora and fauna adapted to the harsh climate. Despite its dryness, the Thar contributes to India's ecological diversity. Moving towards the coastal regions, the eastern and western coastal plains embrace lush beaches and vital fishing industries. These areas are crucial for trade and tourism. India is a diverse country with 28 states and 8 union territories. It's essential to understand how these regions compare in terms of area. Today, we focus on the largest states, starting with Rajasthan, which occupies an impressive 10.4% of India's total area. Following Rajasthan is Madhya Pradesh, covering 9.4%, and Maharashtra, just behind at 9.36%. These states reflect India's varied geography and culture. Next up, we have Uttar Pradesh at 7.3%. Gujarat ranks 5th, spanning 5.9%. Karnataka comes next, covering 5.8%, followed closely by Andhra Pradesh at 5%. Let's keep going. Odisha takes up 4.7%, while Chhattisgarh covers 4.1%. Tamil Nadu and Telangana follow behind at 4.0% and 3.4%, respectively. Now, Bihar occupies 2.9% of India's area, with West Bengal at 2.7%. The remaining 25% consists of various other states and territories, showcasing India's rich diversity. It's worth noting some complexities. There are disputed areas surrounding Ladakh and Jammu and Kashmir, significantly affecting total area statistics. Areas claimed by India but administered by other nations include significant territories in Azad Kashmir and Gilgit-Baltistan. Currently, the Indian government lists the total area at around 32,87,263 square kilometers. However, discrepancies exist in various reports from different organizations, making this a topic of ongoing discussion. To summarize, India is comprised of multiple states and union territories, each unique in size and cultural identity. Remember, Rajasthan leads in area, with Madhya Pradesh and Maharashtra following close behind. Have you ever wondered about the stunning islands of India? With a total of 1,382 islands, India boasts a rich maritime landscape. Join us as we explore the diverse islands, from the Andaman and Nicobar Islands to Lakshadweep. The Andaman and Nicobar Islands are a captivating group of 572 islands located in the Bay of Bengal. Among these islands, you'll find the Great Andaman Islands and the Nicobar Archipelago. Each island has unique features and attractions. Let's look at some key islands. The North Andaman Island offers stunning natural beauty, while Ross Island showcases a mix of history and nature. North Sentinel Island is famous for its indigenous tribe, which remains largely untouched by modern civilization. Next, we have the Lakshadweep Islands, an enchanting archipelago of 12 atolls, 3 reefs, and 5 submerged banks. With about 39 islands, this destination is known for its beautiful beaches and vibrant coral reefs. Amini Island and Kadamat Island are a must-visit for beach lovers. Southern India's islands also hold intrigue. The 7 islands of Mumbai, including Kolarba and Worli Islands, form a bustling urban landscape. Meanwhile, unique floating islands in northeast India, such as those found in the Nongkhin River, offer a captivating glimpse of nature. Across the nation, islands play a vital role in India's culture, economy, and ecology. They provide livelihoods through fishing, tourism, and more, while preserving rich biodiversity. In summary, India's islands highlight a blend of beauty, culture, and biodiversity. They invite us to explore their unique offerings. Ready to discover these islands yourself? Start planning your visit and experience the wonders of India's maritime heritage today.
Welcome to our channel. Disclaimer: this channel does not promote any illegal activities, and all contents in this channel is for educational purposes only. Our channel based videos promoting for educational tutorials, famous quotes of the world, biological, historical, and geographical facts, genius stories, and biography. Please follow or subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for more videos. Thank you.